Madam famine in the coming in the banner. Then a rare mission and grind no. The one to ask me yet in Tinto. A banner sami dia wine ya conto. No crash or charming on some man or Tom man for. Ah, yeah.
Oh, Madam, Ade. Madam, wait my coffee. Wait my coffee. It's a good coffee. Madam was my meal. Oh, Kafra, my meal so much.
Oh, yeah, lie, may I lie. Oh, when a boy, when a guy, soon on the bring me here. Ah, this be so touchy. This be a more touchy. This be so touchy.
Madam. Madam.
Yes.
What to say?
Good morning.
Morning, madam.
And I want to say.
Madam, I was way.
Oh, like. But we do guess none me so.
Madam.
I must be feature.
Bola, no credit, no more gates. I know. Na bola, I'm sorry, I'm a second put a question. No bola, one for the bar.
Oh, okay. Oh, the last time that's right.
Oh, madam, that's a yesterday, sanity, a bondi. Bobia. Sanity, oh, you know, this one. Tell me about over there, Madame Yemen, and now Jimmy. No, that man, so Berman, or if you're not Madame P. No, it's my behind so we can go with Kaka.
Oh, they want me.
Hey, Madame, over corner, not coming home with you. About myself.
Oh, they
Madame, yes, I didn't miss her, Madame, and yes, I didn't miss her. What am I for? You know, we told 7 minutes and do a year.
Oh, David,
so good.
Oh, no. I have to someone outside.
Yes, I didn't miss her.
Oh. I didn't know, yes, sir.
Maybe a person was a passer, Madame, a point.
It's my pass, Mamma.
So, over coming.
Oh, David, Casa, she won't do that again.
The way inside door.
Oh, David, oh, baby, I'll tell baby, away you. Why? And moreover, like the last time, thank you so much, okay? And you want the 7 9 8 oh, and you were. Oh, like, I don't know why you're too down, sir. Like, Brother say.
Madam,
being here, and I'm just continuing your street.
But I'll come in on call.
Meaning, sir, I won't tell you, yes, sir. Oh, stop that.
Madam, yes, more. Madam, is true. Ways out of ways out of so what am I mean? What am I buying more? Why? So,
maybe not a soul, like, she will repeat that.
Minimum, I would have my part. What a call. Oh, inside.
Oh, okay. Then I'm going. Okay, so open here.
What?
Go inside.
If you say big cranny, I don't know what you need, Amma. I ran it. My mom, I ran it. So me, and the Yamba. Et me, Boma, Summa, me book to me. I ran it. That when the bishop wanted, never hear Baba wanted. And then go on to me, Baba wanted, Papa. Baba, Refiana. And you're Refiana. And you must do who never mentioned me, Papa. And you have Baba wanted. And you said, when you put a my year for 7 very Papa for what I want you myself a child and be a quite one day. And you
my apartment, so, oh, yeah, lie, may I lie.
I am a shadow mouse, especially like. Oh, yeah. The person of my fire. The mouse and big surprise. And the party is in Konya, my invited.
Oh,
what did I? This one is more than a party, like a very big surprise. My buying my mom was surprised and my kid did it. My mom was surprised and one person who cry and show. Over from me and I must yeah. Oh, yes, serious. Over from me and I must me that dog. A person wants a surprise. With a train surprise never.
Intimate room we ye.
Can't cry, your proper knee. Oba.
Are you okay?
Surprise neighbor.
Are you okay?
We can't fit it 10. 9, 10.
Hey, be
9,
be
8,
maybe
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here's the surprise. Okay, the thing is, now then.
There's a surprise. You don't know what they're surprise.
And then you're surprised. Obeka Sembiatro, a person may excuse you. One can take your time. You analyze it, let's see. Your person can't show. Why?
Hello.
We are more them. Why? Oh, but I'm saying I'm not going to it's not a month now.
So that also where you're marking and what's marking. Oh, also, Mr. Nodi. I want to me and me, the one I was in me and me. Her Excellency. You can watch some but I didn't say, me and one can. Also, me can know how serious I am. Truly, I love you from my heart. Try my worst. I am ever ready to be with you. See the meaning of an account, but I was and I'm on so, and I'll be fear. She knows I'm in the financial affair. She be any and all my fancy.
So waka. Ono waka na yewo waka. Akara wonka sa waka. Nti obi amate. Why?
See no sure be so want to know for.
Oh.
What's what you hear? She enjoying the way inside. Why?
Then I share my apartment, so. Oh, yeah, me lie. Oh, when a boy, when a guy. Soon on the bring me.
Oh, there.
I'm a casual business deal in Army.
Yeah.
Okay, because I'm a fancy.
I bet for Choco Boy can't want it. I bet for.
I worry.
Oh, no, don't be worried. Very nice, Kasim. It's Kasim. Don't worry. Kasim, there you are sorted.
Really?
Yeah.
In which way? My
brother will sort you out. I'm not joking, my dear. I am joking. Owusu.
I don't know him, so what about Owusu? Okay.
Let me tell you a little about Owusu.
Okay.
Owusu is an engineer. He has money.
He's my brother. No,
I won't give you.
No. I just want to know the reason why. Maybe because I still want to say, me pay 17. Oh, come on, brother, and I'll be taking advantage of me, or what are you trying to say?
Not because of that.
Okay.
Listen, the thing is, Owusu is interested in you. Yeah, he's going to take care of you. Trust me.
I'm coming. I don't even know the person, chef.
Trust me. Trust your girl. It's me, Narkie. Whatever? No, don't use that word on me. Because my brother is going to change your life for you.
You know I don't know your brother, okay?
I know you don't know him.
Alright, okay. Alright, I've heard you.
You giving in?
I want to see
You
him.
giving in?
I want to see him before.
Just say yes or no. You giving in?
Oh, baby girl, I want to see
Babes, you giving in?
Alright, yes.
I want to shake our sis, girlfriend.
Oh, Brian, what's don't mind me.
But like seriously, I just want Owusu to have you. He's gonna take care of you. This business thing you're doing, he's gonna sort it out for you. You don't have any problem with that.
I pray so.
I hope no one is disturbing you with this relationship proposal thing.
Oh, baby girl, you know I'm not ready. Yeah, baby, I mean, like, look at man. Do you know the license? I think last week never. PR, so madam, I want to talk to you. So I think something important. If you say we are never,
like, what did he say? You don't mean it.
Of course I mean it. I mean it. Why? How do you? I didn't make try on the phone.
Am I fine?
Of course you are.
I'm fine.
You are?
Why would he propose to you? He doesn't have anything. We feed him. If my families don't feed him, I'm the one that feed him. He has nothing to give you. Owusu has something to give you, darling.
Yeah, let's talk. Unless I'm comfortable.
Wow.
I just want to tell you that.
Wow. Thank you for telling me. Thank you for I'm not going to insult him, but I'm going to put him in his place, that's all.
Alright.
He shouldn't be talking to someone like you. A nice girl of your caliber. Oh, Your Excellency! I'm going to...
Madam phone no me baby no me share my apartment so oh you lie me lie oh when boy
Braha na kwa sasa na aga papa
me dey na maluka
na sasa na aga papa
na me go ka
so wo se me so me ma weni nka ofie ha nsam basa pasam kwa na okeka me ma weni nka ofie ha o me ma weni nka ofie ha o
na man ka na se
wan ka na sa aka na se
me ka na se madam me ko na me se daddy me pa cho se me no dem komo me mi aba no ana mi sister no se my anybody bi mpo kro
what the hell ni aba wo ja me nu aba rubber way wo ja me nu aba wo show me outside me order yes eh me dey here for amobra o ye ni me no mo mbobra me no mo mbobra fi ko we na outside me outside say me sho radinga me sakra kan radin we da je me ko tamai that on inside the third and third room in sanwo me fa chao ana wani ba na me tie no
Etela no wasu shebi ana no wasu shebi ni akoturi no no sheba de ko ti don pay me so frame de so mi se mi wate de so mi se mi wate de ba bo wate eja mi mba yeme
this be total cheat. This be a Hoya cheat. This be total cheat. This time you just make my eyes open. Now this be total cheat. Now this be a Hoya cheat. Now this be total cheat. This time you just make my eyes open. Don't be greedy. So pema se mano be mata.